Okay. Who is paying attention? Let a thought arise. 2 plus 2 is 4. Let that thought arise and let it pass away. Is the thought 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 conscious enough to pay attention to you? Or are you paying attention to the thought? You are paying attention to the thought, na? Because can you see I am separate from thought? Yes? Mind is nothing but thought. There is no separate box called the mind. Can you find it? Look. Can you find a mind in your own experiential recognition? No, there is just awareness and there's just a mass of sensations here which I have termed as body, and I see thoughts arise intermittently, come and go, that I have termed as mind, and I sometimes have a feeling arise and that I have termed as mind. Is there anything else in my direct experience? So what is this attention? Who's paying attention? Is the mind paying attention or is the witness itself knowing everything? It is simply the witness. There's nothing like mind paying attention or I am paying attention. There is no I only. Instead of calling it the space of awareness, if attention is a better word for you, call it the space of attentiveness. Do you understand that better? Space of attentiveness. That is the meaning of space of awareness. That's the meaning of space of consciousness. It is the space that is the attention or the attentiveness. It is the space that is witnessing. It is the space that is aware. There is no entity that is aware. There is no I. So your question, the way you started, I am paying attention, that itself is wrong. Recognize that it is an ocean of attention in which there are some sensations here, and I label this as the body. There is some subtle thoughts arising and falling. I label that as the mind. One abstract painting which has labels. The perceptions of sight, sound, smell, taste, touch are labeled as the world. It's actually one single waking thought in me, the ocean of attentiveness. Yeah? Explore. Little more self-inquiry is required. This has to be done on a daily basis. So we'll attempt to put one self-inquiry every day in flock. Either the volunteers, the Gurukul volunteers can help me, or I will have new self-explorations, whatever. We'll put one per day. You must do one inquiry per day so that all this becomes very clear. You're able to separate out the white pebbles from the rice, the illusion from real. Real means that which I see directly, is my direct experience. Illusion means that which I have assumed to be. Very clear?